experiencing an Arch Linux black screen. I have tested many solutions and found reliable fixes. I'll walk you through them now. When graphical environment fails, TTY Access provides a text-only console. Run direct commands. This refreshes core packages and rebuilds boot files, fixing issues from incomplete updates by restoring system integrity. Graphics drivers communicate with your monitor. If corrupted or incompatible post-update, your screen stays black. This fix correctly reinstalls or updates drivers, re-establishing proper display communication. The kernel is your OS core. A new kernel might conflict with hardware post-update. Booting an older, working kernel provides stability. Safely diagnose and repair the newer kernel. The display server, like SOC, draws your desktop. Misconfigured settings prevent display. This approach resets or regenerates vital configuration files, enabling Arch Linux to render its graphical interface. This provides a solid Arch Linux black screen fix after update.